Wow, where to start? It's a company that I've very much grown personally and professionally within. The support I feel is unrivaled from other employers that I've worked with. When I first started with Zip, we had 25 directly employed engineers. We're proud to say we're now at 95, with ever-expanding opportunities coming as the business grows.
My name's Nicola Gray and I am a HydroCare team manager. So I've been at Zip 4 years this month. Best thing about working at Zip is the fact that you are a person and not a number. From previous jobs, we've always been treated as numbers, whereas in this job, you're definitely a person.
So people that join us know that they're not here for 2 years, 3 years employment. There is the opportunity to grow both their knowledge, their career, and the life that they give their family in the home life.
We're growing, and therefore we've got opportunities very broad across all areas of our business. From finance, HR, IT, based in Norfolk, which is a part of our shared service support, to our field-based operations, our field sales, our maintenance, our engineers and our installers. They're nationwide opportunities. There really is something for everyone. We're a growing business. We've got career opportunities that are so varied and really exciting opportunities.